Hey guys, it's Julia and I am back with another video for you guys. I thought it would be fun to just show you guys my makeup collection, like everything I have. I am not like a major beauty YouTuber, so I don't have like a crap ton of stuff, but I like to say I have a lot of eyeshadow. Some people I know definitely have a lot more than me, but I am just like a Morphe fanatic, so I mainly just have Morphe eyeshadows or like little things that I've gotten from Ipsy. But yeah, anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me, and then if you're not subscribed, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, let's start with what I do first. So eyebrows, this is all the stuff that I have for my eyebrows. Oh, little side note. When I go to school in the morning, I have 0 hours, so I have cheer in the morning. I always get ready and do my makeup after cheer, and so I bring my makeup in like a few little bags, and in one of my bags with my mascara got all over my stuff. So for example, my primer has black spots all over it. I don't know if you can see it. Same with like my concealer. So basically, some of these things have mascara coated all over them because they were in that bag. So that's with this Anastasia Dip Brow. You can't really tell on camera, I don't think, but it literally has mascara all over it. And then I think you say it taupe. I think that's how you say the shade. And then I recently got the Brow Wiz again because I just love this stuff, and it's so easy to like clean up your mistakes after I use a makeup wipe because brows take me literally forever. So I need it. And I also just recently got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So if you can't tell, I love Anastasia's products for brows. So for my face, I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Nude Ivory. The wrong shade, so I need to go back to the store and get a darker one because this one makes me look super white. And I also have the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh, so it's like BB cream in light to medium sheer tint, so it's number 110. This one is a lot more accurate to my shade. It's darker than the Wet n Wild foundation that I got. I also like to moisturize my face with this Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. I like pick this up at, you know, when you go to like Ulta or Sephora, how they have like the little sample size of stuff. I found this at Ulta, and so I'm like, I'll buy it. And then I have my Caked On mascara, Professional Primer by Benefit. I love this stuff. When I run out of it, I want to try to get a new primer, one that's like tacky and like gel instead of this. This is just getting a little bit old for me, so I want to try something a little different when it comes to primer. And as for concealers, the concealer that you guys see me use the most is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have it in light and fair, so number 10 and 15. And then one time in an Ipsy bag, I got this Silky Fit Concealer BB Power Brightening Concealer with SPF 34 in it by Yada, I think, in an Ipsy bag, and I actually really like this too. And then just recently I got the Shape Tape Concealer. It's super high coverage. You guys have probably seen this everywhere. For the rest of my face, let's start with powder. So you guys know I love using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Love this stuff. This is actually my second bottle of it. The other one lasted me like a year, which is really good. And then in an Ipsy bag, I don't use this that much. Like, I don't know how to review this to you guys because I've like barely used it. This Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finishing Powder by It Cosmetics for bronzer and stuff. I always use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. You guys know it. It has hit pan. You can see it in the camera. It's literally almost out. For contour, I have the Contour Kit in light to medium by Anastasia Beverly Hills. A Really Sad Story. This is actually a few years, 2 years old maybe? I don't know. Like I haven't used it that often. When I first got it, I used it all the time. This was like my baby. One of the first things I got when I first started doing makeup. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in That Glow. Bubbly has hit pan, but this one I'm not gonna like tilt it too much because it broke. I don't know if you can see it, but dripping in gold is everywhere. It's in like a bunch of chunks and stuff. That will be a reoccurring theme in some of my stuff. It's really tragic. I don't know where my other blush went, but I did have a blush by Ofra. I forgot what shade it was in, but I used it a lot. I don't know where it is actually. And I got it in an Ipsy bag once, so I do have that somewhere. And then I also recently got this in an Ipsy bag. I get everything in an Ipsy bag. shout out to my Aunt Kim who bought me a year subscription for my 16th birthday. I literally use the products I get all the time. But yeah, I got this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Feisty. And I also got this Pixie by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey. I really haven't used this that much because it's a shimmer blush, so I don't really use shimmer blushes all that much. For highlight, I also got this Barfly highlighter or something. It's a highlighter stick and it is in Candlelit, and I've been using this a lot too as like a base to my eyeshadow and like blending it out with my fingers. And then this is really sad because I've dropped this many times and I lost the top. This is so sad. So it is Nomad X Stockholm illuminated highlighting powder in Midnight Sun. I use this all the time. I don't know if you can tell, but like it really hit pan. There's still a little bit left though, but it's like this really pretty gold highlight and it's really nice because it's very buildable. I also have the beautiful Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed highlighter in Champagne Pop. My baby, although another sad story. It's almost out. I don't know if you can see it, but literally I dropped it twice. So this mirror is caked, and then I did fix it with like the alcohol trick, and then I dropped it again. So it's everywhere. I do set with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this stuff. And then here are all of my brushes. I won't go through every one. If you want to see a brush video, then let me know down in the description box. But this is all of my Morphe brushes, and this is all of the other brushes. Alright, for eyeliners and stuff, I have a crap ton, and most of them are caked in mascara. I have like the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. All of these are in black, by the way, except for this one, which is caked. It's a L'Oreal Infallible Paint Liquid eyeliner, something in white. Yeah, a bunch of like felt tip ones. I also got Smashbox. And then I recently, this is my newest one, the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper. I had a bottle of this one time and I love it, so I recently got it again. And I also have the Maybelline New York Eye Studio, the little pot of black eyeliner in Blackest Black. But I have this little like sample size of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I love this stuff. I also have the Voluminous Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. I love this stuff, but I recently got a new bottle that's not waterproof because I want to test it out just to see the difference. And then I also got in an Ipsy bag recently the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume mascara. I'm actually wearing it right now and I love it. Let's move on to eyeshadows. I haven't used these in a while, but I got these aphorism little like eyeshadow crayons. And then I have the Too Faced Natural Eyes eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this in a really long time, but I have it. And then I have a bunch of little things from Meech and Mia. It's like a pigment, Pixie by Petra, some more pigments, Marsk, Sydney, London, Your Toast Mineral Eyeshadow, Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. It's like a little eyeshadow duo. I also have this from City Color Cosmetics. It's a shimmer eyeshadow in Cheers to Life, I'm pretty sure. I also have a MAC. It's like a quad. Alright, so when I first really got into eyeshadow, the Urban Decay Smoky Eye Palette, which has all these shades in it, was like the first palette I ever got. Urban Decay eyeshadows are not my favorite. To me, in my personal opinion, they don't compare to Morphe shadows. I like Morphe shadows a lot better, so I gave this to my mother. But I also went through a phase where I used the Naked 3 palette all of the time. I stole it from my mom. But yeah, this, I used it all the time. We'll start with this one. This is one of my newest palettes. It's the Day Slayer palette in 15D. Let me just tell you, this is very sad. I dropped this palette twice already and I got it on Christmas. And 3 of the shadows are cracked. 3 of the bottom ones. And so it's a mess. I don't know if you can see it, but like, oh my god. I also have the 25B and 25A palettes. Copper Spice. Oh, this is Bronze Mocha and Copper Spice palette. Oh my gosh. The middle one of this is cracked. Why? Why? Why does this happen to me? I I love eyeshadows so much too, and when they're cracked, oh, it's so sad. So I also have the 35N palette. This is an all matte palette, but I also have the 35W, and it's like the same set except this one also includes shimmery shadows. And then I also have the 35O palette, and excuse my palette, some of them are like really messy just because I'm a messy makeup artist. Yeah, this is crazy, and this top one literally is almost out because I'm pretty sure it cracked, but I used that all the time to set instead of using the setting powder. So I also have the 35B palette, all the colors of the rainbow. I love this palette. And then my baby, it's so dirty, I need to wash it, like wash off the front, but the Jaclyn Hill palette, I mean, come on, I literally use this every day, almost every day. Oh, can't just talk about it. It's so pretty. And then my new baby, the Dare to Create palette, the 39A. I love this. Ooh. I love this palette. Like, it literally has everything you could want. The one thing I did realize that it doesn't have is like a really light shade, like a white or a shimmer shadow like the Jaclyn Hill palette does. That would be awesome. That would make this palette like the best palette. Maybe I'll take the camera over and show you guys, but like I have drawers of stuff for makeup, so I do have a little bit more, and I have like a bunch of random colored mascara that I got a few years ago because I was into that, and I did it for like a month and then I stopped. So I have all that, and then I have some like crappy lip glosses and lipsticks like everyone has, and then I do have a few Kylie Cosmetics stuff, just the stuff that you guys have seen before. I have the Cocoa K gloss, Candy K matte lipstick and the pencil, and then Exposed lipstick and the pencil, and then I do have the, if you guys saw my what I got for Christmas haul for 2017, I got a few Morphe like lip liners and eyeliners, and then their red trio lipstick, I forgot what it's called, and then a few like lip glosses and lipsticks that I got here and there from Ipsy bags, but there's like a whole drawer. And then underneath I also have a bunch of stuff for like Halloween, so a bunch of random crappy oil based makeup. Anyways, yeah, that is most of my makeup. Actually, yeah, basically all of it. All of the stuff that like I use a lot at least is down there. I play with my hands a lot. I'm really sorry. If you guys want to see more or more in depth of something, then let me know in the comment section down below, especially like with the brushes or lipsticks or something like that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to check the down bar for all my social media links. I think this video is going to go up in 2018. So if it is, this might be the first video of 2018, so Happy New Year! That sounds so weird, 2018. I'm literally graduating in 2019, so I ramble too much, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful day or are going to have a wonderful day. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!